I'm a person that always felt pulled in many directions. I always had my fingers in many, many things. And if you talk to my friends and family, they'll tell you she's always so busy. And I lately have been feeling that it's a little too much, and I really wanted to focus and do one thing. But the demands have grown. As a physician, mom, daughter with aging parents and in-laws, I felt like my time is not my own anymore, and everybody's demanding more of my time. And I started getting a little bit more resentful that they want me for more activities, more things, and I'm not able to do all of them at once. Now that I meditate, I really have to thank meditation. I was able to reflect on this and realized that it was my tendency that was actually making me say yes. And this tendency is because I had this mindset of what a good mom should be, or what a good daughter-in-law should be, what a good citizen should be, or a doctor should be. And according to this preconceived notion and mindset, I've been saying yes, and not because I just needed to say yes to get things done. So with meditation, that helped me realize that the problem is actually within me and I can change. So once I was realizing this, I started meditation more, and I meditated more diligently, regularly. So with the domino effect, that helped me organize my day better. And once I discarded the self-image, I was able to focus on what needed to be done. So I was able to be present more, do things better, and do all of the things I was doing and loving it. And so I cannot be more thankful for meditation, for helping me recognize this and discard that false mindset that I had about how I should be, and focus on what I needed to do and enjoy it truly and be present for every minute of it. And now I'm able to still do everything I love to do and be there for my family as well. So thank you.